All right. In this video, we are going to be talking about how to fill cells and how to change the formatting of individual cells. So that's going to include color and then kind of aesthetics as far as the font layout and stuff like that. So remember, what we're trying to do is we're trying to recreate the My Fleet tab. So that means we're going to need to fill all of these squares, all of these cells rather, with blue, and then make the black border around the side. So we're on our enemy fleet tab. Now all the formatting tools are up at the top of the screen like they usually are in all Google tools. So going from here all the way down to here, these are all formatting tools, and these are going to change, again, the layout of where the letters fall and where the color is in the cells. So our first task is to fill these cells with color. So all we have to do is click on A1 and drag it down to J10. And then we go to this fill bucket and we click on it and click on blue. And quickly it is filled. So that's one way to fill. Another way to fill is that we can start with one cell. So I'll make this one right here. I'll turn it black. And then you'll notice there's a little blue square in the lower right corner. That's called the fill handle. If I click on the fill handle, drag it down, it's going to fill all of these cells with the same formatting. And then I can click on this square here and drag it over here. And there we go, we filled it in with black. So two different ways to change the fill. The next piece that I'm going to show you, and we don't really necessarily need it for this, but I'm just going to show you so you know it, is that we can change the layout of the letters or numbers that we put in. So here's X and O. For this game, we're going to use X's and O's. Perhaps I don't like the fact that it's sitting down in the lower left corner. Well, if I highlight this whole box, I can format all of the cells. And just again, like on Google Docs, we can change the alignment. We can do that in Google Sheets. So I'll center it, and you'll see that these move to the center. Because Google Sheets we can change the size of cells. We can also align the placement of the letters vertically. So this would be horizontally, left and right would be horizontally, but then we can also do up and down by clicking on the vertical line and moving to middle, and now they'll float right in the center. All right. Just like again with Google Docs, we can change the formatting as far as what style of font we want, how big the font is going to be. One thing to notice is if I go to a large font, it's also going to change the size of the cell to accommodate the size of the font. So make sure you don't make it too big. We can also, of course, add bold, italic, strike through. We can change colors, all that fun stuff. So there you go. That is the basics of formatting the cells.